Hi, today we will create the front end part of the application. For that we will need Node and Git. So we will need Git to do the version control, and we will need Node so that we can run JavaScript. So basically when we want to run and develop our application, we want to run it from our terminal. That's why we are installing Node.js, so that we can perform command related to it from our terminal. Now, to have Node.js, you can go to Google and download it. From this download button you can download it. Similarly, you can download Git as well, and from their official website you can download it for your device. Once you download those things, you can check its version by running node -- version. You can make sure you have installed Node.js and it is showing some version. That means we have Node.js on this machine. Now we will use its package manager, that is npm, to install Angular CLI, and we will need Angular CLI so that we can run any command related to it from our terminal. So basically Angular CLI give us the ability to create and manage an Angular project. So first we will install Angular CLI, and we will use G flag so that it get installed globally. So hit enter. Okay, the installation is complete. Let's make sure it is installed properly by checking its version. So we will use ng -- version, and it's showing some version. That means Angular CLI is installed properly. Now we will use Angular CLI command to create our application. So we will use ng new. Now we have to mention the project name, and we will keep it as a front end. So we are going with modular based approach. That's why we use no standalone. Normal CSS, and we want server side rendering or not. Let's keep it N. You can pick any of these and move ahead with it. Now it's saying is it installed all the packages successfully. Now let's use this ngserve command front end folder and run the ngserve command. So now it's saying it is running on 4200. Let's go there, and you can see our application is running properly. Now we will install antdesign to our project to give it a modern look. For that we will use ng-add ng0 antdesign. Now it is asking few questions, and you can pick any of these and move ahead with it. And we are going with the blank page. So you can see it made few changes. Let's serve the application and see how our application look at this point. So it added a image it seems like an empty image, it's not showing properly. Let's copy some component from their official website and render in our project. Let's copy the module for the button and we will add it in the module app.module.ts, and now we will copy the code for the button and paste it inside app.component.html. Similarly, let's copy a spinner it's showing some error because we haven't used the module inside our app module. So inside the list of imports, now mention those modules that we have copied from their official website. Now let's visit our application. Let's rerun the server. Now you can see we can use Ant design in our project. Next step, we will customize this according to ourselves. So let's try to change the primary color to Rebecca purple. Save it. And you can see we can also do the customization and change the variables that Ant design provide. Also, they have mentioned we can visit this URL and look at the other variable that they provide. Yes, you can see all the variables name. Just now we changed this variable name. Primary color, you can do the same. You can change other variables according to yourself and do the customization. So at this point we installed Angular, we installed Ant design, also we customized its design.